British force was taking the situation under their control, M.K. Gandhi was arrested for sedition.
A British soldier was running towards the head officer, Albert Maxwell. Soldier knocked the door and saluted the officer and told,
"Sir, we found a British officer dead body in Apollo Street."
Albert gave a serious look and asked him to start the car. They went to the crime spot. The victim was a police officer, killed brutally by separating his head and body. Albert looked and told to the officers,
"This is a clear murder done by Indians. I think so for arresting Gandhi. We should find the murderer and we should punish him strictly. Find that rascal."
British officers began to search for the murderer. They even killed some Indians for the truth behind it. At last, found the criminal. They dragged the person and dropped at Albert's feet. He just took a rifle gun and shot him while he was running and hanged him to the gateway of India. A waiter was serving to a group of people. They were drinking wine. Suddenly a person dashed the door and came in and sat at a main seat at the edge and told, "See guys, we need to send a package. It is none other than the Red Emerald. Our boss told us to export it to another place." "To what place should we export it?" asked another person. A man came out of the ground and saw a man and called, "Arnav!" Arnav ran towards the man and asked, "How are you, Banerjee?" Banerjee told, "I'm good." "How is Sakshi?" "Are all good?" "Yes, Sakshi is good and all are good and doing well." "How is your police training?" told Arnav. Arnav, "It takes more than 2 months to come home. By the way, how is your mother?" told Banerjee. "She is still surviving somehow. Doctors told she might be alive maximum a month." Banerjee told, "Take care, Arnav." Banerjee gave a letter to Arnav to give it to Sakshi. Arnav took the letter and gave a small bag of food items and went to Banerjee's home and called Sakshi and told, "Sakshi, Banerjee told me to give it to you." Sakshi took the letter and asked, "How is he?" Arnav told, "No need to worry. He's fit and strong. It takes him 2 months to come home." Sakshi asked, "How is Ma?" "I'm not able to come to our home. Even my mother-in-law also not good. She's suffering with severe fever from past 2 days." "Ma is good. Take care about your mother-in-law. I'll come again after a week." Arnav moves to home. His mother was sleeping on a cot and suffocating for taking the breath, and asked slowly, "How is Banerjee and Sakshi?" "They are good, Ma. Do you want to eat something?" asked Arnav while washing his face. It was complete silence. He was only able to listen the air sound which was coming from outside of the house. He ran towards his mother. She was dead, opening her eyes and mouth. After a week, a telegraph arrived to Arnav's house that Agent Tagore, MI6 agent, is at Chittagong. Meet him. Officer Rutherford has passed away. Arnav locked the doors and went to Bazaar and caught a bus and went to Chittagong Hills. There a British officer was waiting for him. Arnav climbed the hill. The climate was cool. British officer told,
"Agent Tagore, you are removed from the Mi-6. We can send through telegraph, but I objected and myself I came and gave you the removal letter. I miss you, my friend."
Arnav looked at him and asked, "What is the reason to remove me, Jack?" "I know. Kevin removes me after the retirement or death of Rutherford. Isn't he the present director of the organization?"
"Yes, you are right. You have done many services to Mi-6, but at the present situations, Gandhi was creating mass movements for the independence of India. That's the main reason for removal of Indian officers,"
told Jack. Arnav grabbed the papers from Jack and moved fast ahead and tore papers. He went back to village and began to do farming in his 1-acre land. 2 months completed. Banerjee came to Tagore's home and saw his position and asked, "What happened, Arnav? What about your clerk job?" Arnav told, "It was gone because of these movements conducted by Gandhi. He's not understanding situations of our common people. He's doing the movements. I lost my father because of him. Independence is not possible, Banerjee. It is quite hard. They killed my father when I was 15 in Bombay because of Gandhi. Gandhi was arrested and my father couldn't bear it and killed a British officer. So they killed my father." Banerjee told, "See Arnav, due to these mass movements by Gandhiji, we can get independence by next 15 years. By the time, a woman came and knocked the door. Arnav saw at her and asked, "What does she want?" She told, "Namaste Bhaiya. I have a brother. His name is Ishwar. Did you see him anywhere? He was missing from past 2-3 weeks." Arnav told, "I don't know." She told, "Thanks Bhaiya," and walked ahead and began to knock doors and ask information about her brother. While Arnav was going inside, he heard a loud shout from outside. Arnav and Banerjee came out. A man was beating the woman who came for asking the information. Arnav went and stopped him and asked, "Why are you hitting her?" That man was shouting and telling, "She was knocking my doors continuously and touched my house walls." Arnav just gave a look and slapped him on his face and lifted the woman and took her into his house and gave a seat and gave some water. Arnav asked, "What is your name? Tell me what's your problem?" That woman was sipping water with a shiver and told, "My name is Indira Bagchi. My parents were killed in Jallianwala Bagh massacre. My brother Ishwar and I were the only persons in our family. He used to do smugglings and delivered to their clients. I was against him, but he not used to listen my words. Few weeks back, he said he was going to smuggle something. It takes him more than a week to come back. All was okay. 2 weeks back, I even got telegraph from him that he was coming home. Till today, he didn't come back home." Arnav told, "Don't worry Indira, I will help you. To find your brother, don't worry." Banerjee took Arnav aside and told, "Arnav, you don't even know who is she and what is she properly. Leave her. She searches her brother or give police complaint." Arnav told, "Banerjee, till today I hid information that I am a MI6 agent of UK. They removed me recently. As I am a detective officer, I can help her. I am doing agriculture and living. What else is there for me to live properly? At least, if I help her, she will get her brother back and lives happily." Banerjee looked at him and was in a shock and told, "You have a shot now, but remember, I and Sakshi are there for you. You are not alone. Indra, let's go. We shall begin to search for your brother." A British officer was cleaning the rifle. Meanwhile, a junior officer came with 2-3 soldiers with a man catching by them. Junior officer told,
"Albert sir, this man was caught by our soldiers in the coast for smuggling some goods."
Albert Maxwell, the British officer who was cleaning the rifle, stopped it and loaded it with bullets and shot the man who smuggled. Albert asked,
What is his name?
Junior officer told,
Ishwar Bagchi.